In this video, we will learn about how to identify the slides of small intestine. This is the transverse section of duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of small intestine and has four layers which are arranged from inside out as mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and the outermost adventitia or serosa. Mucosa of the duodenum shows finger-like projections referred to as villi. These are either finger-shaped or leaf-shaped in duodenum. The core of each villus is formed by lamina propria, which is loose connective tissue. Then we have muscularis mucosa, which forms the boundary between mucosa and submucosa. The characteristic feature of duodenum is presence of submucosal glands referred to as Brunner's glands. Then the muscularis externa is made up of an inner circular layer and an outer longitudinal layer. Part of the duodenum, which is covered by peritoneum, has serosa, and the part which is non-peritoneal will contain adventitia. The next slide, this is the transverse section of jejunum. Even jejunum has the same four layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa. There is no adventitia, but the entire jejunum is covered by serosa. Mucosa of the jejunum shows a peculiar feature referred to as plica circularis. Now these are mucosal folds, the core of which is formed by the submucosa. The mucosa shows villi which are much taller than the villi of duodenum. The core of the villus is formed by lamina propria. Then we have the muscularis mucosa, which separates mucosa and submucosa. The muscularis externa is made up of inner circular layer and an outer longitudinal layer. Entire jejunum will be covered by a serosal layer outside. The last slide we have in small intestine is ileum. This is the cross section of ileum. Even ileum has four layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa. Mucosa shows club-shaped villi, the core of which is formed by lamina propria. This is the muscularis mucosa, which forms the limiting boundary of mucosa and submucosa. The characteristic feature of ileum is presence of lymphoid nodules referred to as Peyer's patches within the submucosa. These Peyer's patches are present only along the antimesenteric border of ileum. Then we have the muscularis externa, which has an inner circular layer and an outer longitudinal layer. The entire ileum will be covered by serosa. We can compare the three slides of small intestine. Duodenum has finger-shaped or leaf-shaped villi, and the characteristic feature is presence of submucosal glands referred to as Brunner's glands. Jejunum shows characteristic circular folds referred to as plica circularis, and the villi are much taller than the villi of duodenum. The ileum has characteristic Peyer's patches in the submucosa and club-shaped and short villi. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.